Hey, have you heard of Tapestri, the free app that pays you? Supposedly you can earn up to $25 a month on your data and more by downloading, installing, and promoting the app. About a year ago, I made a review of this app, Tapestri, before it even launched. And today I want to give you the real behind the scenes look into have I actually made any money with this app, and can you make money too? If you don't want to watch this whole thing, hop to different timestamps of this video. My name is Steph Parisi, and usually I hop online and chat social media marketing strategies for small business owners. But sometimes I like to break out of that and chat about my favorite things. And boy, has it been a wild ride. You ready for this? Almost a year ago, I found out about Tapestri, and so I made a video, put it up on YouTube, and the thing exploded. And as a result of that video, you're gonna see this video pop up on the screen, and that's my team that's grown as a result of that video and this opportunity. And I'll let you in on a secret. Things aren't slowing down in the Tapestri world. Most important questions first. Have I actually made any money with Tapestri? And the good news is, yes, I have made money with the Tapestri app. So the app actually officially launched in October of 2021. So it took a lot longer than we thought. And honestly, there were some kinks in the beginning, but I have made money with the Tapestri app. My lifetime earnings are $2,268.74 as a Tapestri affiliate. And yep, full disclosure, Tapestri affiliate here. Also, for my data, over the last several months, I have made $147.98. So whether it's a lot of money to you or not much money at all, I'll let you decide that. But I will say this, for just downloading an app and putting it on my phone and letting it do its thing, I don't think that's too shabby. And get this, less than a month after I made that YouTube video last year, I was the 4th person in the company to hit global affiliate and earn equity in the company, which is pretty cool. What's even cooler though is that there's still a huge opportunity out there for Tapestri. Most people honestly haven't even heard of it. So how does Tapestri work, and how do you make money with the app? So just like me, you can make money 2 ways. First, download the app. Grab my link, you'll see it in the pinned comment, or if another affiliate sent you this video, use their link to sign up for the app. The free app. You just put it on your phone and you're in, and you're gonna start earning some money for your data. You enable location tracking always, that's important. I'll be honest, the first month, I didn't earn that much. The next month, a little bit more. It wasn't until the app kind of got used to my activity where I started consistently making $25 a month. Pro tip, you turn on notifications, you can click and earn even more money as you go. So that's the first way that you can make money with the Tapestri app. Next up is if you decide to become a Tapestri affiliate. It's 20 bucks to sign up to be an affiliate for a year. And this is what you get, and this is how you earn money. Pretty cool. You earn $1 a month every month for every friend that you tell about Tapestri that downloads the app, installs it, and has it running on their phone. And then you also earn $1 a month every month for all of your friends' friends that download the app and install it and let it run. So it goes a couple levels deep. Sign up 10 affiliates and you become what's called a super affiliate. And you're gonna start earning check matching bonuses every month. And then, like me, when you sign up 10 affiliates that hit super affiliate, you hit global affiliate. And there's still spots. So don't think that the opportunity has passed you by. You might be thinking, Steph, $1 a month? That is like nothing. But this is what I'll tell you. The dollars start to really add up. It's not who you know, it's who you know and who they know. You're like, Steph, I've heard enough, I'm in. Awesome. Grab the link that's in the pinned comment of this video. Big tech companies are profiting, and Tapestri is saying, hey, hold the phone. We are disrupting this industry. We're gonna give money back to the consumer where it belongs, which I think is pretty cool. So your next question might be, hey Steph, that's so cool. I want the Tapestri app, but does my country have it? And I want you to go check the description of this video where I'm gonna be updating all the countries that Tapestri is live in. So, can you make money with the Tapestri app? Yes, you can. If you're open to earning some extra dollars, or like me, if you wanna earn thousands of dollars with this app, hop into the affiliate program. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I'll be back next week with another new video to either help you win in your business or share another one of my favorite things.